Hello guys, welcome to the first question of the engineering FA exam. And this is our first question. Three lines are defined by the three equations x plus y equals to 0, x minus y equals to 0, and 2x plus y equals to 1. The three lines from a triangle with vertices. So we're going to solve for all these three equations and see if we can find the vertices. And you know this is the FA engineering, so I'm going to try and solve this question under the quickest and fastest way, which I believe is instead of solving them two simultaneously, we can solve them through substitution and do elimination of each of the options until we find our answer. So how am I going to solve this through substitution? We know we have the first equation, which I'm going to call it here equation 1, second 2, and the third one equation 3. So first substitution method. For the first substitution method, we have x plus y equals to 0. So solve for x equals to minus y. Let's call this equation 4. So we're going to put in equation 4 into equation 2. And we know equation 2 is x minus y. So put in 4 in 2. Okay. So if we're going to do that, and we know x equals to minus y, so we're going to have minus y equals to 0. So minus 2y equals to 0. So therefore y is equals to 0. So if y equals to 0, what's going to be x? So we're going to still solve for x in equation 2. So solve for x in equation 2. Okay. If we're solving for x in equation 2, we're going to have um, x minus 0 because y is equal to 0 is equal to 0. So x equals to 0. So our vertices, our first one is 0, 0. So which one doesn't have 0, 0? C and D. So I'm going to eliminate C and I'm going to eliminate D. Okay, this is how we solve it. We solve it faster through elimination. So next, we're going to solve for our next vertices, and with our next vertices, we can know which one is the answer. Let's do the same stuff. So we're going to look for equation 2 now. So x minus y equals to 0 and x equals to y. We're going to call this equation 5. So we're going to put 5 in 3. Okay, if we are putting equation 5 in 3, we're going to have 2x plus y equals to 1. So well, x equals to y, so it's going to be 2y plus y equals to 1, 3y equals to 1, y equals to 1 over 3. So if y equals to 1 over 3, now is our next vertices, our y-axis is equals to 1 over 3, but we don't know our x-axis. So how are we going to solve for the x-axis? Using the same way, which is going to be, I'm going to solve it right here. With that, we can switch the page. So we're going to have 2x plus y equals to 1, 2x plus 1 over 3 equals to 1. So 2x equals to 1 minus 1 over 3. So 2x is equals to 2 over 3. So x is equals to what? 1 over 3. So our next vertex is x equals to 1 over 3, y equals to 1 over 3. At this point, I won't bother solving for the next one because we're under a time constraint. So I'm going to say I found the first two vertices, which is 0, 0, and 1 over 3. And we know we have 0, 0 here and 1 over 3. So I'm going to eliminate this, and our answer is A. So option A is our answer. And this is how you solve the FA exam very quickly and save yourself time. Thank you all for tuning in and see you for the next problem. Thank you.